This video is going to show you how to edit your audio description files in your 3Play Media account. Begin by logging into your 3Play Media account. From the My Files page, select Audio Descriptions Complete. Click the name of the file you'd like to edit. To edit your audio description, click on the AD Preview button. Hit play to preview the video with audio
Clouds
description.
rush past over a mountain lake.
Click the Edit button to enable modifications. You can edit the content inside of the description fields. If you'd like to keep the changes you've made, click Save. Then choose Finalize, and your file will be processed with all changes. If you'd like to revert back to the original description, simply click the Revert to Original button. Any changes you make will propagate to all output formats. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, please read our support articles or visit our website, www.3playmedia.com.